I'm Phil Hammond of Hammond Roto-Finish. I'm fourth generation of Hammonds that have worked in the business. You know, we sat down and talked to the customer and figured out that these are the first robots they were ever going to buy. They wanted to work with somebody that was going to give them a personal touch, right? When they had a problem, somebody that they could call and they would know that company is going to respond to them with some sort of urgency. That was really the first immediate thing that made us think that, hey, we need to quote Kawasaki in this project. It was certainly a better cost-effective option than some of the competitors out there. It ended up saving our customer quite a bit of money. Having 3 robots doing polishing and 3 robots doing buffing was the way that we figured out how to do this and still meet the customer's timeline. So we did originally investigate doing this through dedicated heads, right? Having heads on slides that could just kind of come in, hit the part, index out, right? Come in, hit the part. Building that many heads to do that much stuff is just going to be more expensive than any robot that we could buy. And the nice thing about robots is once we had it installed, instead of with a dedicated head, if we had an issue with the path, we could just touch up the program without having to do anything mechanical to the system. One of the best parts about working with Kawasaki Robotics is their responsiveness. When we're building a system that is sophisticated and the customer expects it to be right as soon as they get it, we need a partner that is going to work with us and help us along the way. During the course of this project, we got to a point where we figured out that there was an option for the robots that we needed that we didn't have. We called up Kawasaki and they got us an answer within a day, which when you're building a project over 6 months, a day is a really short amount of time, and it was incredibly helpful. The system's up and running in the customer's floor. It's been there for a while and it's been producing parts just as they asked.